Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be showing you guys how to do your eyebrows for beginners. Now obviously if you're a beginner, you don't have a lot of products, you don't know what to buy, what not to buy, so I'm just going to show you how to do your eyebrows with one simple thing. So without any further ado, let's just hop into the video. So guys, there's two types of things that you can use. I've got these pencils and you can use the pomade gel. Now the pomade gel is a whole lot better, but that's like for more people who are experienced with the whole thing. So I'm sure you got one of these lying around somewhere at home. This little thing here. So I'm sure you got like these things lying around somewhere at home. You use it for either your eyeliner or something on those lines. So guys, now what I want you to invest in is one of these. This is called a brow gel. I learned this very late. Well, I've recently just learned this in like August, that you need one of these brow gels. Now what these gels do is set the brows, as well as you need a spoolie. The spoolie is like next to compulsory, as well as a concealer brush. Now all these things come with time, so if you don't have that, that's okay. You can always use your mascara wand instead. So guys, with this spoolie, I want you to just pick your brows up, do both sides simultaneously so you can see like the symmetry on the face. So when you're doing this side and doing this side, it's like clicking in your head like, this is okay, this is right, this is what I'm doing. With your pencil, it doesn't have to be super sharp, because when it's super sharp, it's like so pigmented. Hold the end of your pencil. So hold the end, because it's very light movement, and keep drawing. You're gonna see like there's next to no product coming off, and that's okay. It's better than a whole lot of product coming out. So you can see, look, it's absolutely fine if you don't get it right the first time. We all have been there. So use very gentle movements. In the front, you want to go and lift up. Do not box it. Do not box your brows. You're just creating hairline strokes. So don't do it every like little bit. I want you to do it like 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. That's it. You're not doing any more. The other side, you're going to do the exact same thing. Very light movement. You're going to keep on comparing the two of them. So make sure you just keep comparing them. Now back with the tip. Just go in and create hairline strokes. As I said, not together, separate. Now it's gonna look like this. It looks hideous, yes, I know. Now you're gonna go back, drop all your brows down, and now you're going to just line around your hair. Do not start from the beginning. Start like one finger space away. So create a one finger space away and then start working here. We've already dealt with this part, so we just need to deal with the rest of it. Yes, guys, it's gonna look hideous, I know, but I'm just showing you guys what to do. Now, back in with the spoolie, you're just gonna go and smoothen every single thing out. Just smoothen every single thing out. This is not going to allow the brow to look like clumpy. Say you got too much of product in one area and too much of product in the other area. It's just going to soften and smoothen every single thing out. Now comes with the exciting part. Take your concealer, put it at the back of your hand. If you don't have concealer, use your foundation. What you're going to do is just keep on dipping your brush into this. Now, make sure there is very, very, very little product on the brush. And you're just going to go in and neaten everything. It's as simple as that. That's why I say make sure there's a very, very little product so that there's no excess to go in and trouble your brows. Coming up for the top, this is where you gotta be careful. So start from the top, work your way around, and just create a little kind of arch thing. If you still feel it's not good enough, go back in. Just continue doing that until you feel it's right. So I'm gonna go in on the other side as well. So guys, this is what you're gonna look like. Now I want you to take a beauty blender. If you don't have a beauty blender, that's okay. Take your brush and just go in and dab everything together. Blend everything with your skin. So guys, this is what it looks like after I've done a hell of a lot of blending. Now what I want to show you guys is with the brow gel. The brow gel is what you're going to set with. Just take your brow gel and just lift up your brows and make it look neat. It's going to keep your brows in place the entire day. So yeah guys, that's it for me today. This is how you do your brows. This is like the most simplest way that you can do your brows with it looking this perfect. If you have any other products and you want me to do a review on those products, like for beginners, I will do it. So just hit me down in the comment section and I will definitely pull through a video for you. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with another amazing video. I'm out guys.